Slow and steady wins the race. That is the game here with XRP, in my opinion. As you know, I've stayed cautiously optimistic in this market, bringing you guys updates every day and also sharing with you my trade. So yesterday I did open a new trade and we're going to jump.
This video is based solely on my opinion and what I'm personally doing in this market. I want to also let you know that some of the links below are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission, but this will be at no extra cost to you.
And please remember, guys, under no circumstances will I ever contact you and ask you for investments. You can confirm all of my real social media handles in the description.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy sitting in his room.
Taking a look at XRP's chart, as discussed yesterday, we do have a bull flag forming right here. And at the bottom of that bull flag was where I decided to enter into a new trade. So we got my entry price, we got the amount of XRP here, and right now in $3,000 of profit so far. This was a higher leverage play. And if you guys do want access to my trades when I'm doing them and all of that good stuff, you can get access to them by following the link in the description. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing when I'm getting into these moves, what I'm seeing in this market, and it's all actually for free if you do follow the link in the description. But of course, this link will take you to Blowfin. This is where I am trading. You can trade with XRP as collateral and all of that good stuff, but you have to read the terms and conditions and see if it works for you. We also do have traders in there that are doing a little bit of a different style of trading to me. So if you are interested in seeing other traders do different things, this could be an opportunity for you. But of course, you'll still get my updates, you'll still get macro updates, and you'll still get a bunch of stuff in this group, guys. So with that said, those links are in the description. And what I was talking about, slow and steady. Remember, Ripple partnered with MasterCard to bring RLUSD stablecoin to credit card transactions. On top of that, Ripple has just secured a $500 million funding led by Fortress and Citadel Securities after record growth. This is at a $40 billion valuation, and XRP's price is boring according to most people. But remember what happened last time XRP's price was boring. Now, I think the reason why XRP has been in this downward momentum is simply because Bitcoin has been down and the overall market has been extremely fearful of what is going on. But just this morning, we do see some altcoins waking up here. Is this the start of alt season? I wouldn't be too sure about that considering we are in a weekend, guys. Remember, don't get excited over the weekend because normally we get these big moves and then by Monday, it's all wiped out once again. So be careful in this market. But Bitcoin right now, 102,600. Right now, we have been playing with this support of 100,000 and it's broken it. 1, 2, just about bouncing off it there, and 3 in the wicks, but it hasn't yet closed a candle body below it. But if it does start to close candle weekly bodies below the $100 mark, and specifically in my opinion around the $98,000 mark, that is when things are going to start to shift and I'll be a little bit more risk off with my trading, but I'll start to accumulate again on the spot market if that happens. Yet until that happens, I'm going to stay cautiously optimistic, which is why yesterday I did open this new trade. Now, the important thing here is to always make sure that I have stop losses in place, and I opened the trade with a stop loss, and now I'm going to move that stop loss into break even here so I don't have a chance of losing money anymore. This is a risk-free trade, but it was not risk-free when I got into it, okay? I knew how much money I was risking when I got into it. I was using isolated, so when I entry, my margin was $2,800. That's how much I risked in the trade when I opened it. All right, so make sure you understand that. Now, there's also been $200 billion added to the cryptocurrency market today, with $9.6 billion of shorts being liquidated if we pump to 115,000, which could create a short squeeze. Now, we also have the Trump family America buying 139 Bitcoin. We also have over $1 billion in Bitcoin in the Trump Media and Technology Group. We also have Eric Trump saying that Bitcoin is going to go to above 1 million. And we have on-chain data showing Bitcoin's whales accumulating 30,000 Bitcoin just this week, which is over $3 billion. So smart money is stacking quietly while the crowd is in fear. We also have other whales expecting Bitcoin to potentially go to $500,000 next year. So all of this, I think, is very bullish for Bitcoin, the overall cryptocurrency market, and of course, XRP. And this bullish flag here, I think, is playing out. Of course, what we want to see really now is a break of $2.38 and then a break of $2.69 to hopefully break out into the top. So depending on what kind of trader or investor you are, there are various entries. For me, I like the high risk entry down here, but if you're a breakout trader, a push to the upside and a retest could be an opportunity for you. But of course, follow your own strategies. If you want to learn more about my strategies, I give away my spot strategy, my low leverage strategy, my high leverage strategy, and my collateral strategy with XRP as collateral, all for free in the WAP community, which is linked down there in the description, guys. And if you do want to get access to the trades that I'm doing, all of that, those links are down there too. You can see here, you instantly get VIP1, a massive bonus here, and real rewards. So all you have to do is sign up to the links down there in the description to grab those. But please, of course, do your research, all right? Do your research into the platform, see if it works for you. I've been trading on Blowfin for a while now, and I really like it. I can access it from anywhere I am in the world with just my email, but make sure it works for you by doing your own research. And guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.